Hello everyone, so this is a review video on this our 6.5 liter Silvercrest air fryer. This is actually original one, 3500 watts. Always note the watts when you're buying your own, and of course this is actually beginner friendly. So if you're just buying your air fryer and you don't know how to use it, just watch this video. This might actually be of a very big help. So I got this from Ultimate Household Items and Kitchen Appliances, of course from our store. So let's open it together. So I actually opened it and I realized that there's actually silicone air fryer pepper inside it. Please note, it doesn't come with the air fryer. This is actually a gift that we added for all our customers. Okay, so let's bring it out. Now if you don't know how to use it, don't worry, because even the carton, aside from the manual inside, the carton alone tells you how to use it. For this particular one, I'm going to try making yam fries with it. This is actually my first time making yam fries with this. You can also make your potato chips, with this. So if you don't know how to use it, the up alone is enough for you to know the degrees and all that you need to know, the time. There's actually something inside this. That's the iron sieve kind of stuff that is inside it. I forgot to add it, but of course in our next video I'll definitely add it. So I already cut my yam at this point, so let's just put it and know how long this will take. I really hope this works out too. And of course there's always an options for it. So just click on the chips if you're making chips. If it is meat, choose the meat. If you want to warm food, choose the. So I got to know it is 200 degrees because according to what they have, it is 200 degrees. So I have to use that 200 degrees Celsius. That's like the degrees, the temperature, and then the minutes there, or the seconds. I had to use 40 seconds, although the wrote 18 seconds because I wanted it to come out nice. So let's bring it out. So this is it. Like in just few minutes, you can see how crispy this is looking without oil. So this is actually a must-have, and it's a yes for me, guys. So you can click the link in our bio to place your own order, or you can also order it anywhere you want. So guys, we are going to be making more videos like this on how to make lots of things using this air fryer. We're going to be reviewing other air fryers as well. So click the subscription button and stay glued. And if you want me to try anything new, please don't forget to like and tell us on the comment section. Thank you all.